Hi Robert, thanks very much for the question you sent in with regards to your Britannia cooker and trying to identify the correct selector switch for your cooker. Now, you've sent me in some numbers for this Britannia cooker, which you say is SL9T6LS. Now, I've done a little bit of research on this because the numbers that you sent me off the side of the selector switch do not match up to the GOTAC selector switch which you're trying to replace. Now, firstly, when it comes to the selector switch burning out, and you've said your existing selector switch has burnt out, it is quite rare for the GOTAC switches to burn out because they are quite good quality. You may have loose terminals on the actual selector switch, or you're using the cooker incorrectly. Now first, let me help you identify the actual correct number. On the side of the selector switch, you normally find the number for the actual selector switch on there, and GOTAC's numbers are normally 6 or 7 digits long, and they will be on their own next to where the voltage supply and everything else is. So that's the number that's normally on there. Now I can tell you, after doing some research, I suspect that the selector switch you need is a GOTAC 850900. If that is written on the side of your selector switch, then that is the selector switch you need for your cooker. But if I come round here to these ovens that are over here, what you shouldn't be doing with the selector switch is turning the thermostat on first and then turning the selector switch, because if you do this, you are causing sparking on the actual unit, and this can be causing the problem of why you burnt the selector switch out. That's just one way that selector switches can be damaged. Now, what I've done for you is I've put a link in the description on this video that will take you through to a web page where there's a couple of videos showing you how to replace selector switches and also how to identify them, and also a video showing you how to use your cooker correctly, because a lot of manufacturers are not printing in their manuals the correct procedure for using the controls on the cooker when it comes to things like selector switches. And there's also a link on the page which will take you through to any spare parts that you require and the selector switch that I mentioned. Good luck with your repair. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and also make sure that you go to the link that I've put in on this video that will take you through to the page where all the information is for you.